Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a text editor in Python can be an exciting project, and it allows you to explore various aspects of GUI programming. In this tutorial, we'll use the tkinter library to build a simple text editor. Tkinter is a standard GUI toolkit for Python and is easy to use for beginners. Make sure you have Python and tkinter installed. Tkinter is usually included with Python, so you don't need to install it separately. Save the file with a .py extension, example text_editor.py, and run it using the command python text_editor.py. This tutorial covers the basics of creating a simple text editor using tkinter in Python. You can extend and enhance this editor by adding features like cut, copy, paste, and more. Additionally, you might explore other libraries such as tkinter.filedialog for file-related operations or tkinter.messagebox for displaying messages. Happy coding! ChatGPT